best Linux distro for video editing. Why Ubuntu Studio is the ultimate choice. Are you looking for the best Linux distribution for video editing? Whether you're a professional editor, content creator, or hobbyist filmmaker, choosing the right operating system can make a huge difference in your workflow. Among the many Linux distributions available, Ubuntu Studio stands out as the best option for video editing. It's specifically designed for multimedia production, comes preloaded with powerful tools, and is optimized for low-latency performance. In this video, we'll explore why Ubuntu Studio is the ultimate Linux distro for video editing, covering its features, pre-installed software, performance, and why it's a game-changer for content creators. Why Ubuntu Studio? Ubuntu Studio is a specialized version of Ubuntu, developed for video editors, music producers, graphic designers, and 3D artists. Unlike other Linux distributions, it comes with pre-installed multimedia software and is optimized for creative work. It is based on Ubuntu LTS, long-term support, meaning you get 5 years of updates and stability. Something crucial when working on professional projects. You don't want an unstable system crashing in the middle of an important edit. Another major advantage of Ubuntu Studio is its low-latency kernel, which improves performance by reducing delays in processing audio and video. This is essential when dealing with high-resolution footage and complex edits. Pre-installed software for video editing. One of the best things about Ubuntu Studio is that it comes with all the essential video editing tools pre-installed, so you don't have to spend time searching and installing software manually. Here are the top video editing and production tools included. Kdenlive, a powerful, professional-grade nonlinear video editor with advanced features like multi-track editing, transitions, keyframes, and real-time previews. Blender, a versatile 3D animation and video compositing tool, perfect for adding visual effects to your projects. OBS Studio, ideal for live streaming and screen recording, making it perfect for YouTubers and gamers. FFmpeg, a command line tool for processing, converting, and encoding video files. HandBrake, a tool for transcoding and compressing videos without quality loss. These tools make Ubuntu Studio a ready-to-go platform for video production, saving time and effort in setting up your editing environment. Performance and hardware optimization. Ubuntu Studio is optimized for performance and stability, making it one of the most reliable Linux distributions for creative professionals. Low-latency kernel reduces lag when handling high-resolution footage, making playback and editing smoother. Optimized for multi-core processors, utilizes your CPU efficiently for rendering and exporting videos. Great GPU support, works well with NVIDIA and AMD GPUs, enabling hardware-accelerated rendering in Kdenlive and Blender. Fast and lightweight. Unlike Windows or macOS, Ubuntu Studio does not use excessive system resources, meaning better performance even on older hardware. If you're working on 1080p, 4K, or even 8K projects, Ubuntu Studio can handle it without unnecessary slowdowns. Customization and flexibility. One of the best aspects of Ubuntu Studio is that it is highly customizable. You can install additional software like DaVinci Resolve if you need a more advanced editing suite. The XFCE desktop environment is lightweight and customizable, allowing you to optimize your workflow. You can tweak system settings to improve rendering speed and multitasking while working on multiple projects. Whether you prefer a simple layout or a power-packed workstation, Ubuntu Studio gives you the flexibility to create the perfect setup for your video editing needs. Community and support. One of the biggest concerns when switching to Linux for video editing is community support. But with Ubuntu Studio, you don't have to worry. It is backed by the Ubuntu community, one of the largest and most active Linux user bases. You'll find tons of documentation, tutorials, and support forums to help troubleshoot any issues. Regular updates ensure stability, security, and new features over time. If you ever face a problem, there's always a solution available, whether in official forums, Reddit, YouTube tutorials, or Linux support groups. Final verdict, is Ubuntu Studio worth it? So, is Ubuntu Studio the best Linux distro for video editing? Absolutely. With its pre-installed multimedia tools, optimized performance, GPU support, and stable Ubuntu LTS base, it is the perfect choice for video editors, content creators, and filmmakers. If you're serious about video production on Linux, Ubuntu Studio is the distro you need. Give it a try and take your editing skills to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.